everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have an unboxing of the latest Papercraft Society by John Next Door. And as you can see, it is fall themed. We're August here, so we're getting close, guys. For those of you who are like me and just are sort of getting through summer. Lots of leaves and things and a nice stripe, very tailored look. So let's open up. I've already had a little bit of a sneaky peek. This is box number 35, and so you can kind of see the colors of the box. We've got a really bright orange, this really nice sort of hunter green, and it looks like a little bit of a linen pattern there to that. Nice texture there, some craft card, and some nice brown cards. So obviously very, of course you could use the kit with other colors that you have in your stash, but these are the sort of theme colors. Then it looks like we've got some nice jute. That's always handy to have. Some sequins in silver and like a matte white. And then let's see here what this is. Metal embellishments there in silver. So some leaves. So it looks like you get 4 of those. And then some like skeleton leaves there in the nice delicate like off-white. You always get the inspiration book here. On the cover you can see all the things you get in your kit. You can see some non-card making applications like this candle. And I'll just flip through really quickly, but some nice cards and a little interview there with him and so on and so forth. So some masculine makes in here as well. To show you, this one is probably one of my favorites in the book. So let's take a look here. So we get your wallet, which obviously has this nice leafy element there. Some stripes, some quotes, and then you can store that on your bookshelf. And the main bits here is a stamp set, stencil, and dies, and then the papers. Okay, so we've got that matching stripe and leaf pattern that we've seen already on the box. So you get one of those. Looks like one of each here. I wonder, this might be too big. Yeah, I was wondering if the dies would cut those out, but I don't think so. But you could fussy cut those or leave them as they are. One of those. Another similar stripe, but different. Another color stripe. That might be a repeat. No? They're slightly different. They just changed the stripe color on that, but otherwise it's the same paper. There you go. So a few choices there. So those are your papers. And then you get coordinating stamps, dies, and stencils. So there are different ways you could utilize this. Of course, you could just cut out the all the little elements out of. So all of these elements here on my left are ones that match up with the stamps. And the stamps, you get choices in this dot and then the solid color ink that you could do. As well as, I believe, the stencil. So for example, if we take one like that, I think that matches right up. So you could stencil through first and then stamp on top, or stencil through and then die cut it, and then you'd have a soft sort of inky look to it. So you can mix and match those. As well as we have this coordinating banner die here, and that you could lay it flat or you could make it dimensional, and then you have some sentiments. Oh, here's a matching dot one as well. Happy birthday, sent with love, thinking of you with sympathy, love you always, and congratulations. So nice ones you're going to use all the time. And then some maybe for the inside of the car here. So Winston Churchill quote, and then some other inspirational quotes there. That's the only one that I know. It's Winston Churchill, but and then you have this corner border as well. You could trace through here, so different options you could do with the die and stamp set. Now these two here, of course, you have a rectangular piece here These can just cut into your card, or you can use the rectangular piece to cut them out. And I believe they stack together to make, this is the more solid one, and then this is the more patterned one. So I think they'll show you how to do that here in the book, I would imagine. So you could, you know, cut this out of some more pattern paper or alcohol inks or things like that, and then layer a solid color on top like a black. That would really make that pop underneath. You can make shakers with the sequins that come in your kit. All sorts of things to go for it there. You could certainly like ink this and twist and turn it to make a leafy pattern background, even though it's kind of lined up. I think just turning it would give it enough there. So nice kit. I think this is the first one that he's had. John Lockwood, I believe his name is. And yeah, so looking forward to that, making some projects with that. Thanks so much for joining me. If you wouldn't mind checking down in the description box below, you click on the more, you'll see links, and some of those are affiliate links that no extra cost to you, do help out me and my channel, and I would much appreciate that. Also a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done that already. Thank you guys so much and have a great day.